My name is Gubane, and today I'll be explaining booleans and flags. Just like computers read ones and zeros, booleans only work with true or false. To aid me in my explanation, I'm going to use this program. So here I have three buttons, a label, and a text box. Without wasting your time, let's jump into the calculate button. I used exception handling, hence the try and catch. This is how you declare a boolean. So you just simply type bool and then the variable name. So this over here can be anything. I can even change it to grandmaster depending on the code that I'm using. So it just has to be a logical name. Now I have a boolean. So this can be true or false. But I can also assign it initially to be true. And it can also still work. And that will just simplify my code for me. But in this instance, let's just keep it as a legend. So in relation to my code, this is just an explanation of how my code works. I'm going to get the number of goals from the text box, and then I'm gonna use the if statement to check if the number of goals scored are more than 500. Then the boolean value is going to be the boolean variable is going to return a true. If the number of goals is less than 500, then the boolean is going to be false. Therefore, let's see what it returns when I run it. Let's check it. No, I said more than 500, so exclusive of 500. If 600 goals are scored, true. This is a true that the boolean returned. Let's check. Okay, let me clear. If only 20 goals were scored, it has to return a false now. Then it's false. So that means our code works perfectly. Okay, so now we're gonna jump to the flags. In this instance, I'm going to use this example. So I'm going to say if legend so meaning if this condition is met, and then you're going to win the Ballon d'Or. Now we're gonna run it. So what this means basically, this is the flag. So what this means, it means it satisfies the condition. So it is in line with the boolean that is returned here. So meaning it is true that this is a legend. Hence this is going to happen. So let's try and run it and see what it returns. So because we're testing the legend variable, let's say you have more than 500 goals. So that's still true, therefore you are a legend, and then you win the Ballon d'Or. Thank you so much, guys. That's it for today.